Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Defrogs token. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Defrogs token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Defrogs. Their webpage is defrogs.com. They have a Twitter at Defrogs token, and over there on their Twitter, which I'm going to put up on the screen right here, in their pinned tweet, there is the Defrogs official links. So it's basically like a whole link tree of all different links here. We'll go over that in a second. Now this is an Ethereum token, and this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting February 27th at 11 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Defrogs, and then simply just buy the token. Now, up until the listing, if you go over to Mexc Global's Twitter at Mexc_official, you will see that there is a Kickstarter event happening right now, where you could vote with MX tokens to share massive airdrops, and they have a reward pool of 30,000 USDT, which is equivalent to 26 Defrogs token. Now this is a low supply token, and it's very pricey per token, so it's a max total supply of 10,000 Defrogs. You can find this token listed on Etherscan. So far they have 1,689 holders, and they have their contract addresses there, and it says price per token is around $878.86. So it says this is a collection of 10,000 Defrogs enabled by ERC404. So I believe the first ERC404 token was called Pandora, and that token was very popular. I believe that one is also listed on Mexc Global. I did a video on it a long time ago, I think when it was just getting listed on like LBANK and Bitmart. So that was the originator, and then a few tokens followed shortly after the Pandora token came out, and Defrogs was one of them. So, an experimental token standard enabling persistent liquidity and semi-fungibility for Ethereum NFTs. The first ERC404 PFP, which means ERC 20 times ERC 721. So, they have their Telegram at Defrogs that has 2,431 subscribers, so you could join that Telegram if you like. They also have their Twitter at Defrogs token, and over there it has I'm going to put that on the screen right here. It has a link to their Telegram right there on the screen. You can see their Twitter just joined here in February 2024, brand new Twitter. I believe, yeah, when I first saw this token came out, I believe they had very little socials and information and stuff on this token. Almost 10,000 Twitter followers, though 9,898 Twitter followers. So 92 tweets so far that you could check out. That's going to be tons of updates and things like that regarding the project. Now, if you go into their pinned tweet, which is what I was talking about earlier, they have a link to their webpage, defrogs.com. They have a link to Uniswap. So if you want to get this token prior to the Mexc global listing, you can get it off Uniswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your ETH for the Defrogs token using the contract address that you could find in their pinned tweet right there. So they have a link to Uniswap in their pinned tweet. They have their contract address. They have a link to CoinMarketCap and DEX tools where you could view the chart there. So on CoinMarketCap, it says the price right now is $836 per token, so it's a little different than their Etherscan there. It says it's up 8.24% today and has the market cap $8.3 million. 24-hour trading volume's a little bit over $1 million right now. And they have their address, website, social links, Explorer, all that type of stuff is available on their webpage. On their CoinMarketCap, And then on DEX tools, the cool thing about DEX tools is you could see a couple quick audits on there as well, and so a little bit of different information on there. And they have on their DEX tools here, see the price is different everywhere you go. On DEX tools, it says their price is $874 per token. And then it says locked liquidity on Uniswap, $947,000. And so you scroll down on DEX tools, they have a quick audit here. So you click on that. They have audits by Quick Intel, Token Sniffer, GoPlus, Happy, and Honeypot. So if you go through there, it says no Honeypot, contract is verified, no buy or sell tax, no proxy contract, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable. For some reason on Token Sniffer, it says transfers are possible, but the rest of them say no. So sometimes there's conflicting audits. And Quick Intel says there's a hidden owner, but the other GoPlus and Happy says no. And then we got 3 out of 5 audits here saying that there's whitelisting, and 2 out of 5 audits says there's anti-whale mechanisms, and Quick Intel also says other risks. So just be aware of warnings, obviously, before investing in tokens, and thoroughly do your own research to make sure that you're okay with the security on this token before investing. So check out those audits on their DEX tools chart, which is in their pinned tweet here. You can find the DEX tools chart there. Also in their pinned tweet here, you can find a link to their OpenSea. So if you want to check that out, that's where you're going to see what all the NFTs look like. And you can check out their whole collection there. Collection of 10,000 Defrogs. So yeah, go check that out on their OpenSea link. If you go to their webpage, not much info. It just says reject evolution. And then it has links to their socials, OpenSea, Uniswap, and that is basically about it. And the contract address. Not much information on their Twitter, on their webpage. Their Twitter actually is going to have the most information and the most updates, but you're going to have to scroll through many, many tweets. They have 92 tweets that you could scroll through and see lots of information. And their newest ones are about their new Mexc global listing starting tomorrow. So check out the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.